Good morning, everyone. It's Christine. Happy Wednesday. So let's talk about shopping for Christmas and your kids or your students. Let me tell you, you could spend a lot of money on little ones left and right, and they'll pay for it for like maybe a couple days, maybe a couple weeks, and they'll forget all about it. But I have two things that my daycare kids love. This is like the most craziest thing. Did I tell you that I've been subbing at both centers? I've been in the preschool classroom multiple times, and it's been crazy to the point that like sometimes I forget which center I'm at. And then this happened. My poor assistant was sitting next to me yesterday at one of the centers, and she was laughing so hard. Did you hear that? Hello? Hello? Yes, yes. Oh, wait. No, he's not here. Bye. Oh, did you hear that? That was my telephone. I have a telephone. Yeah, this is a great telephone. Footprints and Friends Preschool? No, I mean Footprints and Friends 2. No, Footprints and Friends Preschool. No, Footprints and Friends 2. I'm sorry, I'm at the preschool. Yes, what can I help you with? Yep, that happened. That really happened. My assistant fell off her chair. She was laughing so hard, I couldn't remember what center I was at yesterday because I've been going back and forth answering the phone. So I'm just gonna go ahead and say Footprints and Friends for going on because I had a lady call and she was looking for an interview and I'm like, oh my gosh, that was embarrassing. So anyways, this was my phone. Do you know what this is? This is a doorstop. One of my daycare kids thinks this is like the most coolest thing ever. He's one of my toddlers. He's in my under 2 classrooms. I think he's like 16 months, 18 months maybe. And if he's in my lobby, will run, point at it and say hello. Yes, a doorstop. Who would have thought a doorstop would be a great present for a kid? I am wrapping this up for my toddler in my under 2 classroom because he loves doorstops. What a great Christmas gift. This kid could forget about everything else. The doorstop is the in thing. The other thing is yesterday I brought in a box. We're making Christmas tree ornaments. And one of the things we have to do is cut out a tree because I'll show you Friday what we're making for our ornament for one of my classrooms. But anyways, the box. I brought in the box and the kids were like, can we play in the box? And I'm like, go for it. I mean, the box ain't gonna be there for much longer. But between boxes and doorstops, who would have thought that'd be like one of the best gifts for little kids, and it's cheap. They love them. We bring boxes in a couple times throughout the year into the daycare centers. So the other day, I was at my favorite store as usual, Dollar Tree, and my husband was laughing because I found a stress release that's actually 2 things. Actually, it's a phone holder. Yep, a phone holder. We're talking about phones a lot today. A phone holder, and there's 3 of them, and this is hilarious. And my poor husband is trying to read, and I come up to him, and I'm like, you want to see my stress release? And he's like, oh, sure. Look at this. Ah! The eyes go out. This is at the Dollar Tree. Look at this. Talk about distracting a kid that's acting up. So I have 3 of them, and my husband's like, good Lord, here you go. Look at this. Ah! So there's 3 different colors. So we've got our stress release, and you can actually put your cell phone on them. So you're with the daycare kids or with your friends or kids or someone's just, you have that moment, you can scare people. So anyways, I got that at the Dollar Tree. I thought those were some great finds. I love them. I love finding different things to do in the classroom. And I also yesterday I posted and I'm giving away book sets. And I'm giving away How to Babysit a Grandpa and How to Babysit a Grandma. And I read some of it on Monday. So here are the books. And I'm about to draw the winner for these. So I had the question, would you rather? Would you rather have tinsel hair for Christmas, like Christmas tinsel? Or would you have bright light nails that light up? I don't know. I'd want tinsel hair, but then again, I'm the one that changes my hair color and wears wigs and all that fun stuff when I dress up. So I figured if my hair shedded, it would be tinsel. And when you put tinsel on the tree, it sheds anyways. You can change your colors and everything. So let's see who won my book set. It is, let's see. Here, I'll show you my bowl. Like there's actual names in here. Let's see who won. It would be Amanda Jensen-Marshall, and she is actually out of Kansas City. She's not far from me, and she's an in-home provider. And Amanda, I will be sending you the book set. Yay! I hope you all have an amazing day. Friday, I'm going to talk about the different Christmas ornaments we're going to put on our trees, and I'll bring one in that we're doing today. It's really cool. Each classroom does a different ornament for our tree. So each classroom has their tree ornament they decide to do that year. But I hope you all have an amazing day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.